This is the Homyaco magnetic whiteboard set.
These are really neat. As you can see, they have nice lines on them. Perfect to practice handwriting. I bought them for my daughter to practice her handwriting for school. And then this set comes with one plain whiteboard, which could then be used for other homework problems, drawing, or whatever. And it comes with two whiteboard markers. One of them is a normal point and the other is a fine point, and an eraser. And then it comes with these little stickers, and those are good if you want to put the whiteboards on a table, and then you can actually lift them off. The stickers are not a 3M sticker, they are removable, and it works really neat. I want to keep these with their magnetic backing so that I can put it up somewhere else and quickly move it. So I'm not going to use the stickers, but I think this is a really cool set. Love it.
Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.